Hi, I'm Sonia from A Couple Cooks. This is how to cut cilantro. Now, we like to store our cilantro in an herb keeper, which keeps it much fresher than in a plastic bag from the grocery store. This will keep for up to a week or more, so it's a great investment. Now, to cut cilantro is very simple. Grab the cilantro by the root end, take your knife and just scrape off the leaves. Go through the pile and pick out any large stems. You can leave the smaller stems. Now, if you're using this as a garnish, you may want to use the whole leaves, or you can chop them. Just get a good grip on the base of your knife and chop it in a rocking motion. And that is it. That is how to chop cilantro. For more of our Nice Skills videos, hundreds of recipes, and more about our cookbook, Pretty Simple Cooking, head over to acouplecooks.com.